It seems like everybody is excited about engineering except engineers. At NAMTECH, we are here to introduce engineers to the exciting world of manufacturing, engineering and technology, MET. NAMTECH is introducing a fellowship program this year for all those who believe that engineers can shape tomorrow's world. The NAMTECH MET Fellowship is not just a program, it's a gateway to be part of a dynamic MET ecosystem with world-class mentors, experiential learning, and real-world projects in cutting-edge sustainable living learning labs. The fellowship is designed to transform you into a conscious technologist. Co-designed with global leaders like Schneider, Festo, Micron, and academic partners from the QS top 10 universities, it's a launchpad for those who want to learn by doing and lead by creating. So, if you are from an NIT, IIT, BITS, or IITDMs and want to be a leader in new age manufacturing, I invite you to the NAMTECH MET Fellowship Program and contribute to India's manufacturing story.